Let's pop a wheelie and see. Little bit it jumped. I mean, hello and good morning, people. This is probably the downgrade of the year for me. Just kidding. I gave the bike, finally I gave the bike for service on Saturday, and they said they'll be returning the bike today, that is on Monday. So yeah, they are taking 2 days to service my AS200. Yup, there are some major work to be done on the bike. This is the first time I had to keep my bike at the service center overnight, and I am bloody tensed about it, because the last time when I kept my bike at the service center, not this one, earlier I used to have a Honda Dazzler, I had to keep it at the service center overnight. And then what happened was, suddenly I'm receiving a call, I'm getting a call from a friend, and he's saying that भाई तेरी बाइक कोई बंदा लेके बाहर घूम रहा है, मैंने अभी भी देखी, और ऑलमोस्ट वो एक जन के मतलब ऑलमोस्ट वो ठुकने वाला था एक जगह, cause that thing had pretty shitty disc brakes. So yeah, that fear is haunting me again this time. Let's attempt a top speed run here. Okay, I could manage 80 only. Fuck. But let's just hope that they service the bike properly. This time I told them to change the accelerator cable to the new accelerator cable of the 2017 NS200. Told them to change the air filter, the spark plugs. By the way, the reading on my odometer was 17,500. So yep, all these has to be changed. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. I am sure the bike will feel much smoother right now after the service. But yep, I am little bit concerned about, since I had to keep the bike overnight at the service center. So they just called me in the morning and said I called them and they said you can pick up your bike by 3 to 4 PM. So let's see. Pretty excited for it. Boy, this is fast. This is fast. This scooty is fast. Did somebody call me from behind? This scooty is fast. It's light. Oh, Volkswagen Polo. And a small reality check. Motovlogging is not about reviewing a bike, running after a new bike which is launched recently, and to get hold of that, what the fuck I'm talking about. Motovlogging is telling stories about your life, about your bike, about how you feel about your bike, and what all experience you have or you had, good or bad, no matter what, with your bike. Motovlogging is about that. I'm not even a motovlogger, bro. I'm just Infogloom. That's all. The name itself is self-explanatory. That means जो मेरे मन में आएगा, जब मेरे मन में आएगा, मैं करूँगा. मुझे किसी को दिखाने के लिए लॉन्ग राइड्स में जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. मुझे किसी को कुछ प्रूफ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. आई डोंट ओ एनीवन एनीथिंग. That's not my attitude. That's my character. You gotta have one. By the way, this scooty was considered to be the coolest scooty out there until the release of the Aprilia SR 150. That thing looks so Italian and so beautiful at the same time. And it is powerful, very very powerful. Mummy. Okay, my servicing is done. This throttle cable you see, it's of the new 2017 NS200, and yes, it is smooth as fuck. Feels smooth, way smoother. And the only thing left to be changed is now the engine oil and the the oil filter. I got it from the spares shop right there. Since it's raining now, I'll be changing the oil and the oil filter tomorrow most probably, because I don't want some water to seep into the engine right now. Okay, let's go. What the fuck? Fuck, I took the keys. I thought someone took the keys. Fuck. Here it is. They did something, man. This is the accelerator cable, I guess. Yeah. See, this is the accelerator cable here. Here. And earlier there was no wire here, which used to come like this. This part looks new. This thing as well. It wasn't there before. Hope you are able to see. Earlier it was something stuck down inside. This is something new. Let's see. How does it feel? Holy shit! It feels good. It feels damn good, damn smooth. I'm just warming up the engine a little bit. Okay, off we go. The throttle feels orgasmic, man. Seriously. Oh, take it easy. And it is all fogged up already. Not fogged up, fogged up already. So the camera is not dizzy and hazy. I gotta change the engine oil, man. The bike feels super smooth. Oh. Oh. By the way, this is the same Versalis raincoat that Doggy F uses. Earlier he used to have a neon colored one just like this. Now he bought a black one. I don't know why. Maybe people would have teased him calling traffic police wala lag raha hai. So that may be the reason he changed it. I don't mind to be called a traffic police wala. I'm no less than them. I wear a helmet inside a fucking auto. You don't believe me? See this. Nice photo session hai. shoes are all wet. This throttle is magical. This accelerator cable is magical. It feels smooth, really smooth. I don't want to sound way too much technical, but yes, all of throttle transitions have improved a bit. I know it has nothing to do with the cable, it has to do with the fueling. By the way, yes, I asked them to tune the carb as well. I was getting really low fuel economy, 22 to 25 kmpl, so I asked them to tune the carb and change the air filter as well. So yes, the bike is feeling more alive because of the change of the air filter and the carb tuning. By the way, this is my favorite riding season. Oh, the throttle cable, the throttle response. Holy shit! It is mind-boggling. Take it easy. Gearbox feels crisp and precise. Oh my, I am so happy. It was worth waiting for 2 days. I waited for 2 days. 2 fucking days without riding in the weekend. And boy oh boy, it was worth it. By the way, it's going to be a solid test of the Michelin Pilot Street radials that I have as my rear tire. I'm gonna test it in the rain. It has been really awesome in dry conditions, very grippy. Now let's see if the grooves on them are just a marketing gimmick or they really work. Okay then, this is your host Clone signing off with a wide grin on with a wide grin on his face. Ciao.